Dwayne The Rock Johnson has a tequila coming out. Now, it seems like everyone has had a tequila coming out over the past years. I know that Elon Musk, who is one of the best marketers in the world, without spending any money on marketing, and he is going to be a topic of one of our conversations coming up. He registered Tesla Tequila or Tesla Tequila or something along those lines a little while ago. We talked about it on the podcast. It's not something that I think that he's actually pursuing anymore, but he's got a patent or a registered trademark or something like that for it. The bottle was literally just a Sauza Hornitos bottle with a different label on it, but there we go. But yes, Dwayne The Rock Johnson. Now, this is... everyone knows Dwayne Johnson. He's one of the most charismatic guys in the world. So, it's official. I proudly present TereMana Tequila. Terra means earth, and mana is a powerful Polynesian spirit. Spirit of the earth. From all of us here at Distilleria TereMana in Jalisco, we invite you to come and have a drink. So, he has got Q1 2020 is when it is supposedly going to be launching, according to this tweet. It's almost ready. Founder, cheers. And it looks like he's actually got his own distillery in Mexico, which is weird because most people that are kind of starting a tequila brand, especially, they tend to use an established distillery. Now, it could be that he's bought an existing distillery and renamed it. Don't know. I'm trying to find the NOM number, the NOM number, which kind of identifies which distillery this is. I'm quite interested. There has been some decent celebrity tequilas out there. Obviously, Aquariva, the one that I kind of worked with Cleo. Then you've had George Clooney with his Casa Amigos, which is now sold on. Why is it that tequila is the one that all these celebrities want to do? It's an interesting thing, and if you know what that reason is, I would be really interested to hear your thoughts on that. But what do you think? Is Dwayne The Rock Johnson's tequila going to be something worth drinking? I have a feeling he's one of these guys that's going to go all in and he's actually going to make a really good go of this. But what do you think? Let's at least, fingers crossed, hope it's not made with a diffuser and that it's 100% agave.